In this video, you'll learn how to sync Microsoft To Do with your Outlook calendar. By the end, your tasks and your schedule will work together so you can see what you need to do and exactly when you plan to do it, all in one place. First, make sure you're using either Outlook on the web in your browser or the new Outlook app on your desktop. The steps are the same in both. Go ahead and open Outlook and then switch to the calendar view. You can usually do this by looking for the calendar icon on the left side of the screen. If you're currently looking at your inbox or email, just click that calendar icon to move into your schedule. Once you're in the calendar view, take a look at the top right area of the Outlook window. You're looking for the My Day icon. It usually looks like a small sun with a check mark. This button opens a side panel where you can see a quick snapshot of your tasks and agenda without leaving your calendar. Click that My Day icon once and a sidebar should slide open on the right side of your screen. Inside this sidebar, you'll see different tabs along the top. One of those tabs is labeled To Do. If it's not already active, click on the To Do tab. This connects directly to your Microsoft To Do account, so whatever tasks you've created in Microsoft To Do should appear here automatically. If you don't see anything yet, that's fine. You may just need to add tasks in Microsoft To Do first, or make sure you're signed in with the same account you use for Outlook. Now that the To Do tab is open, you'll see a list of your tasks. On the left, you still have your main calendar view, showing your day, work week, or full week, depending on how you've set it. The key to syncing your tasks with your calendar is to assign time to them by dragging them into the calendar itself. Choose a task from your to-do list that you want to schedule, click and hold that task with your mouse, then drag it over to your calendar. As you move the task around, you'll notice different time slots highlighting. Drop the task onto the specific time slot when you want to work on it. For example, if you plan to handle that task at 10 a.m., drag it to the 10 a.m. block and release. When you let go, Outlook automatically creates a calendar appointment that's linked to that task. This means the task is no longer just a line on a to-do list. It now has a reserved space on your schedule. You'll see it appear as an event in your calendar with the task name as the title. You can click that calendar entry to adjust the duration, change the time, or add details like notes or reminders, just like any other appointment. From this point on, that task is effectively synced with your Outlook calendar. You can repeat this process for as many tasks as you like, dragging each one into the calendar at the time that makes sense for you. Over time, this simple drag and drop method helps you turn your to-do list into a realistic, time-based plan for your day. That's all you need to do to sync Microsoft To Do with your Outlook calendar. Open your calendar, bring up the My Day sidebar, switch to the To Do tab, and drag tasks onto the time slots where you want to